I'm Master from Sri Ranga Technologies, Coimbatore. So now we are going to start the trial for this new model. So this is like a new rotary type model. So we are going to start the production for this. So we have the vessel. So we have the ground nut for this. So we are going to start the production right now. The machine is completely ready for production. Completely wooden inside for pressing the raw material. Only the outer part will be made up of, this is also wooden. This part also wooden. Only the bottom area where oil is coming out is made up of cast iron steel. So remaining we are using only Crompton motor for our machine. So this is Crompton motor, 3 HP 3-phase motor. So friends who is interested to purchase this machine, please contact me directly 9943012302. So we are manufacturing this machinery in Coimbatore. So you can see that this is my latest design. So if you are interested to purchase this machine, please contact me 9943012302. So now we'll start the production. Now we have added ground nut. So this is a first quality ground nut, local ground nut. We are not using any hybrid seeds for oil making. So we are also doing oil production. So we don't use any hybrid seeds for oil making. So our main aim is to give a good quality of oil to the customers and good quality machines to the customers. So you can see that this is a first quality ground nut. So for that we have taken 1 liter of water. So this is 1 liter water. For this around like 18 kg of groundnut we have. So now we'll start the production. So now we need to slowly add the water. So this is a fully dried raw material. So we need to add 1 liter water fully. So slowly we need to add the water, don't pour immediately fully. So slowly we need to add the water like this. You can see that now we have poured 1 liter water. This is the magic of a new design. Immediately the oil will start coming out. Within 1 or 2 minutes the oil will start coming out. This is the new design. So this is the beauty of this machine. Only in the beginning you will be getting this raw material out. Once it has become cake, then the oil will be coming out. In the beginning little bit raw material will be coming out like this. So you can see inside it will start grinding. So once it is oil is fully coming out, well, so I'll show you. So now oil started coming. That now the raw material has become cake. So from the cake now oil started coming out. So once the oil started coming become cake, on the raw material become cake, then only the oil be coming out, so like this. So this is the beauty of this new design. Once the raw material has become cake, you will be getting oil only with little bit raw material. So that's why we have a filter over here. So we'll collect all the small raw material and again we'll put it inside. So you can see the beauty how the oil is coming out from this machine. Pure groundnut oil without adding any chemicals. Only little bit of water we'll be adding for making it cake. So that's it. Without adding any chemical, the oil started coming out. So in the refining process and all, they'll be doing lots of chemical process. So that's why the many of the peoples are affecting because of heart attack. This is a pure groundnut oil. So without any chemical process we are doing this oil production. So that's why the price of the oil is a little bit high when compared to the packet oils. So the corporate companies are using lots of chemical process to make an oil. They are using some other seeds for making oil and they are refining to make it for edible oil. They are doing lot of chemical process. This is a natural oil, purely traditional method for oil making. So you can see the oil flow, how the oil is coming out immediately. So if you put one batch in my machine, within 30 minutes the one batch will be completed. So that's the advantage of this new design. So the old design will take 1 hour, but this new design is taking only 30 minutes for doing one batch. So that's my latest design. So you can see that how the oil is getting extracted from the raw material and immediately it's coming out. So that's the beauty of this new design. You can see the oil flow, how much oil you are getting. Tool. So this tool should be used when the cake is getting settled in this hole where the oil is coming out, so we will be using this tool for taking this out. So don't leave your hand inside while running, so just use this tool. If you use this tool, it will be safe and it will be a little bit hygienic. So to take all the cake out, so use this SS2. This is also stainless steel tool. So we have taken all the cake out. So now the hole is free, so the oil will come out freely. You can see that how the oil is coming out from the machine. Pure groundnut oil without any chemicals. So this is the beauty of our new design. Now you can see inside. Now the cake has the raw material has become fully cake. So when the cake is sticking with the crushing part, just spray some water on the wooden part, so the cake will not stick with the like at the bottom. You can see that little bit cake is sticking with the wooden part. If you spray some water like this, so the cake will not stick with the wooden parts. So you can see that now it's not sticking. So this is a small trick to avoid the sticking of the wooden part. Cake will not stick with the wooden part. And you can stop the machine like this, and you can take the cake out like this. So now hole is clear. So keep this tool inside, so when the cake is come out, we can take it out like this. So the edge will be sharp. So to take this cake out, so this is how we need to take the cake out. So now we will start removing the cake out. Now I'll show you how to remove the cake out. So now it has become fully dry inside. You can see that. So to remove the cake, so we will be using this tool and leave it between this cake and make some gap between that cake and the wooden part. So this is a cake. So after making a gap, so we need to leave your hand inside and just pull this cake out. So that's how we take the cake out. So by manually only we need to take the cake out. By using the hand, you need to make a little bit gap between the wood and the cake, little bit gap, and you'll be start removing the cake out by using the hand. So I'm using only one hand. In another hand I have a camera. So by using my one hand I can remove this cake out. Now this is a cake we have taken out from this machine, and this is a fully wooden crushing part. From top to bottom it is single piece wood. So this is a part which will crush the raw material. I'll show you inside. So this is a drum part, that is a steel part where the seating is made up of steel part. I'll just show you the oil. So this is much oil we have got on. So around like 40 to 43% maximum you will get from this groundnut. That is average. So if you are interested to buy this machine, please contact me 9943012302. Thank you for watching this video, friends. So please contact me directly. We are ready to supply this machine all over India, all over the world. So please contact me. Thank you, friends. Bye.